So what we have here is a very popular brand name, Steve Madden, and they make belts and everything under the sun, and I'm trying out their Steve Madden genuine leather wallet with protection from scamming. So you got the RFID anti-scam protection in it, and the beautiful look and feel of a genuine leather wallet. So nice packaging, 100% genuine, and let's crack her open right here. So what we have here is a nice, somewhat slim design, well made, good stitching, got embossed the Steve Madden logo there. We open it up, we have the compartments for credit cards. We open this up, we have compartments for the money. Take that off there. And take off the tag. So we have a nice compartment here for credit cards. Right here, you can put like your wallet or something. Then we flip this up, and we definitely have a nice see-through visible. This is great for IDs if you need to flash ID quickly and you don't want to take it out your wallet. This is a nice little screen here, very convenient. And of course you have multiple credit card IDs, business cards. You have more storage here, you got more storage here, and of course here, here. So plenty of storage in a well built, handsome wallet. So put your stuff here. Let's get some money. So we got some money here. I always like to hide emergency money in one of these pockets. This way I don't spend it. And you have your money here. Got a nice tag here showing the quality. So it actually is nice size that actually fits bigger bills than US dollars. So it's great for international money and currency. You can always fold it, put it on one side, but very spacious. But yet it doesn't seem too large. So this is a very nice, comfortable wallet. I think it's gonna wear in really nice, and variety of colors, and you can't go wrong with the Steve Madden genuine leather wallet. I like it.